Hey guys, Will here. Today we're gonna check out this unboxing video. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's unbox it. Pull this tab, it looks like. That? Okay, let's see what we get with this. What is this? Must-have app. Safety guidelines. Garbage. What the heck is all this crap? Protective cover. Quick start guide. Okay. Accessory box. This is the normal, non-creative, basic. Is that everything? Ah. Silicone packet. Lanyard, okay. Type C to Type C. What's this? Mounting the handle. What the heck is this? This is the charging? Okay. Finally. After 3 years. Ooh, actually, it feels heavy. Oh my god. Where the heck is my Osmo Pocket? Ta-da! First impressions. Actually, I saw it in the store and I can see that it's bigger. Let's bring out more stuff. Oof! It's getting there. Look at that. It's almost at Osmo mobile gimbal size. So you're getting where it's like, it's a pocketable. I guess, yeah, they argue that they definitely market that this is pocketable. Compare. So this looks like less wide. But then this. So you get an idea of the size. Hey, let's weigh it. Okay. Original. 159. Oof! Not quite double. Getting there. 159. 293. 238. 293. Or 292? 293. Okay. Oof, it is getting close to a regular gimbal. Then at that point, some person might argue that, well, you can carry your phone anyway, so maybe is the iPhone better than having just this part? Depends. Really depends. I'll definitely do a comparison video, multiple like different scenarios, see what I can get. But yeah, I'll probably start off with comparison between these two, then iPhone versus Pocket 3 as well. But yeah, honestly, well, I guess people complain about the price, but I think the price is okay because it's offering you more. Oh, this is interesting. Notice, like, okay, you know, like when you have the Pocket 2 limp dick, right? You have to, like, you know, right at the end of when you close it, okay, when you shut it off, right, it's holding it by power. Then you have to get into the sleeve immediately, otherwise it goes limp, right? It gives it a little bit of time. But this, look at that, with no power, it's yeah, pretty good. See, it went limp. Nice heat fins to keep it cool. I mean, that's the advantage of something like this. Ooh. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna bother. If you notice, you actually cannot tell. This one has a screen cover on it, but I tell you, worthless. I used to have a screen cover on here, and I think it affected the quality. I'm not sure of the thing. So anyway, I removed it later, and I don't really believe in putting the screen cover on because I think it might affect the quality of the image. but there's one on here, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bother. Let's see, it should be tilt on. Ooh. Survey says sexy, sexy. Ooh, I tell you that this kind of user experience with the tilt lens is quite cool. So that looks like the accessories. Not, what the heck is this thing? So this is the push to release. Okay, got that. Ah, oh, don't tell me that's just click it. Okay. Ew, that didn't quite snap in. Push to release. Put that back in. Ah, there we go. Okay, so this looks like it's a tripod mount. So I suppose it's more like you can mount a tripod onto it and then quickly release it, quickly put it on, instead of like, alternative would be, let's see, like a gimbal, like the Osmo mobile gimbal, where you have to keep going and put it on like that. I guess it can get quite tiring, supposedly, or something like that. I guess a quick release would be easier. They do have, I think, the extended battery. I mean, this thing weighs nothing. So let's weigh this to get an idea. 24 grams. I can feel this feels like hollow. This is just a very simple piece of plastic. It's just meant to have this tripod mount, the traditional style. Does it come with a... Wait, does this come with an SD card? Or it doesn't? Wait a second. Osmo Pocket 3, wrist strap, Type-C cable. Protective cover, that's that. Handle with 1/4 inch thread, that's that. Manual, what? This doesn't have a SD card? Not even a starter one? Gross. I just bought another bike camera and then it included a 64 gigabyte card. Yeah, you're gonna have to use your own. Well, I have plenty of SD cards, to be honest, and they're not that expensive, so it's gonna be one of those things where either I use the one from here or take it from my GoPro. Quick start. Let's see what the quick start says. DJI Mimo app. Have that already. Okay, SD card goes into the side. Number 3, twist to turn on. Okay, get it. 4-way swiping on the screen, probably to access the different menus. Here's the on button. It's the on and record button. So we have a on. So camera and video. Off is hold it. Okay. Click on. Got it. English. Eek. Swipe to skip. Let's just skip this right now. Connect to DJI and confirm. Will be no SD card, yeah. So click. Should we click to I guess I have to figure this out. And then going next, we have the little joystick button. And that is, oh, you can push it. Push it down for return. Push it twice to recenter. Push it 3 times for what? 3 times is probably, yeah, it's going into reverse. So from facing front to facing you. And then, what is this? Hold it to lock it out. Okay, so quite simple hardware interface. Only 2 buttons here. Well, this is a joystick, not a button. I suppose they're adding this for 2 reasons. I guess you don't really need it. It makes it more pocketable. But I guess it's showing that it's easier to hold with that. Push the button to release. Gotcha. Anything more? Oh yeah. Charge it on the back. Okay. Okay, and what? Are they saying you can charge? Ooh, okay. No. Oh yeah. Okay, you can leave this on and still charge with it. So it's like a pass-through as well as a tripod. And then we're looking at the cover. We have the cover according to the manual. The extra lenses. You can get wide angle lens, black pro mist. Oh, it must be one of those filters. And then you can clip the mic onto here. It's kind of like you use this as a mic stick when I guess you're interviewing someone else. Yeah, that's the quick start guide. Pretty simple. So the one thing I thought it would have that it doesn't have is the SD card. So if you're buying this, you're really gonna be like antsy to just get it up and running, make sure you have an SD card in your household, or buy one. I kind of recommend the style of SD card to buy is I recommend the endurance ones. That's what I find the best. They never have any faults with it. Those are the style that they use for like car dash cams and stuff like that. High rewrite. Okay, that is the unboxing. Osmo Pocket 3. Thanks for watching. Upcoming comparison reviews, of course.